Welcome everyone. This is day 33 of our 60-day senior fitness series. If you're new here, don't worry. You can start right now and join our growing family of strong seniors. Today we'll do 3 easy leg exercises that will help you walk better, stay balanced, and feel confident every day. So grab your chair, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Exercise 1. Sit to stand chair squats, 50 repetitions. All right, seniors. Let's start our first exercise for today, the sit to stand, also called chair squats. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your thighs, glutes, and improving balance. First, place your sturdy chair on a flat surface. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart and cross your arms over your chest. Make sure your back is straight and your core is gently engaged. Take a deep breath. We are ready to start. Now, slowly stand up from the chair and then sit back down. This is 1 full repetition. Remember to move in a controlled way. Do not rush and focus on your posture. Let's count all 50 repetitions together, and I will guide you through every step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. How are you feeling? Keep going. Stay strong. You are building amazing leg strength right now. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. Take a deep breath and feel your legs working. That was 50 repetitions of sit to stand. Notice your thighs and glutes. That slight burn is your muscles getting stronger. You just completed a key step in building stability and mobility for your daily life. Seniors, great job. This exercise is simple yet extremely effective, and doing it daily will make you feel stronger, more confident, and more independent. Exercise 2. Seated leg lifts, 50 repetitions, each leg. Now, seniors, let's move on to our second exercise, the seated leg lifts. This exercise is perfect for strengthening your thighs, improving knee mobility, and helping you move more comfortably every day. First, sit tall on your chair. Hold the sides of your chair for support and keep your back straight. Take a deep breath and prepare to lift your legs. We will lift one leg at a time. Lift your right leg straight out, hold it for a second, and then lower it back down. Then switch to your left leg. This is one repetition per leg. Keep your movement slow and controlled, and focus on keeping your legs steady. Now let's count all 50 repetitions together, alternating legs, and I will guide you every step of the way. 1, right. 2, left. 3, right. 4, left. 5, right. 6, left. 7, right. 8, left. 9, right. 10, 11, left. 12, right. 13, left. 14, right. 15, left. 16, right. 17, left. 18, right. 19, left. 20, right. 21, left. 22, right. 23, left. 24, right. 25, left. 26, right. 27, left. 28, right. 29, left. 30, right. 31, left. 32, right. 33, left. 34, right. 35, left. 36, right. 37, left. 38, right. 39, left. 40, right. 41, left. 42, right. 43, left. 44, right. 45, left. 46, right. 47, left. 48, right. 49, left. 50. Fantastic work. Take a moment to feel your thighs and knees. That gentle burn is your muscles getting stronger. Seniors, this exercise not only strengthens your legs, but also improves your daily movement and stability. Excellent! Your legs are getting stronger with every lift. Exercise 3. Heel raises, standing or holding chair. 50 repetitions. All right, seniors, now we will do our third and final exercise for today. heel raises. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your calves, improving balance, and making everyday walking easier. First, stand behind your chair and hold it gently for support. Keep your back straight, feet hip-width apart, and take a deep breath. We are ready to start. Lift your heels off the ground, stand on your toes, hold for a second, and then slowly lower them back down. This controlled movement is 1 repetition. Focus on balance and feeling the stretch in your calves. Now let's count all 50 repetitions together, and I will guide you every step of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Halfway through, seniors, notice the stretch in your calves and the stability in your legs. Feeling that stretch? That means your balance is improving beautifully. Keep your core engaged and your movements controlled. Fantastic work! You have completed all 50 heel raises. Take a deep breath, feel your legs working, and enjoy that sense of accomplishment. These simple exercises, when done consistently every day, will help you stay strong, steady, and confident in your daily activities. Great job! Your legs will thank you tomorrow.